Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Behriya College's PNET online lecture number 14, class 10 Federal Board, subject biology, chapter number 12, coordination and control, topic endocrine system, learning objectives. At the end of lesson, student will be able to define endocrine glands, name of different endocrine glands and the hormones secreted by these glands, functions performed by these hormones. Endocrine system, it is type of chemical coordination. It controls the activities such as growth, reproduction, maintenance of glucose level in blood, and reabsorption of water in kidneys. Hormones, a hormone is a specific messenger molecules synthesized and secreted by an endocrine gland. Blood carries the hormones to target organs or tissues. There are two types of glands: endocrine glands and exocrine glands. Endocrine glands are ductless glands and release hormone direct into the blood, while exocrine glands have ducts for releasing the hormones, example digestive and skin glands. There are some endocrine glands: pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, and pancreas. Pituitary gland, it is also called master gland. It is P-shaped gland attached to the hypothalamus of brain. It is divided into two parts: anterior lobes and posterior lobes. You can see this is the pituitary gland and attached to the hypothalamus. This is the pituitary gland and this is the hypothalamus. It is the anterior lobe and this is the posterior lobe. Anterior lobe, it produces many hormones. Somatotropin, which is called growth hormone, it promotes the growth of body. Deficiency, if the production of this hormone diminish or decrease during growing age, causes dwarfism. The rate of growth decreases and these are the dwarf people, because in growing age the production of somatotropin or growth hormone diminish. Overproduction, if this hormone is excessively produced during growing age, it leads to gigantism and the person become huge and tall. Acromegaly, if somatotropin excessively produced after growing age, internal organs and body extremities are hand and feet, alone grow large. Such person will have large hands, feet and jawbones. Thyroid stimulating hormone, it stimulates thyroid gland to secrete its hormone. Posterior lobe secrete oxytocin and vasopressin. Thyroid gland is the largest endocrine gland, present in neck region below larynx, produce thyroxine hormone. Iodine is required for the production of this hormone. If we take lake iodine in diet, thyroid gland enlarges. This disorder is called goiter. Thyroid increase breakdown of food and release energy in body. Hypothyroidism is caused by the underproduction of thyroxine. It is characterized by low energy production in body and slow down of heartbeat. Hyperthyroidism, is caused by overproduction of thyroxine. Its symptoms are increase in energy production, increased heartbeat, frequent sweating, and shivering of hands. Thyroid produces another hormone called calcitonin. It decreases the level of calcium ion in blood. Parathyroid gland. These are four glands situated on the posterior side of thyroid gland. Produce parathormone. It increases level of calcium ion in blood. Adrenal gland. Two adrenal glands situated above kidneys. It consists of two parts, cortex and medulla. Adrenal medulla secretes a hormone called epinephrine or adrenaline. Adrenal cortex secretes many hormones called corticosteroids. The major part of pancreas is ducted exocrine gland. This portion secretes digestive enzymes. Some portions serve as ductless called endocrine gland. This portion contains group of endocrine cells called islets of Langerhans. These islets secrete two hormones, insulin and glucagon. Glucagon, it influences the liver to release glucose in blood, and so the blood glucose concentration rises. Insulin, it influences the liver to take excess glucose from blood, and so the blood glucose concentration falls. Feedback mechanism. Feedback mechanism means the regulation of a process by the output of the same process. Negative feedback. The output of a process decreases or inhibits the process. This mechanism works to return a condition towards its normal value. Positive feedback. The output of a process increases the process. Disorder of nervous system, paralysis. It is complete loss of functioning by one or more muscles or groups. Cause. It is caused by damage to the central nervous system, brain or spinal cord. The damage may be due to stroke, rupture in blood vessels of brain or spinal cord, blood clotting in these blood vessels, poison produced by poliovirus cause paralysis. Patient may have weak paralysis throughout body or have one side of body or in lower extremities or in all four limbs. Another disorder is epilepsy. Epilepsy is a nervous disorder in which there is abnormal and excessive discharge of nerve impulses in brain. It causes unprovoked seizures in patient. A seizure of epilepsy is a temporary abnormal state of brain marked by convulsions. Causes. In young people due to genetic or developmental cause. In young people, it transmits from parent to offspring. In over 40 years due to tumors, trauma and central nervous system infection. Treatment and cure. There is no known cure of epilepsy, but medicines can control seizures. Patients have to take medicine daily for treatment. These medicines are termed as anticonvulsant or anti-epileptic drugs. Home task. Define endocrine glands. Write name of 3 endocrine glands and the functions performed by these glands. Describe negative feedback with reference to insulin and glucagon. Write symptoms and treatment of paralysis and epilepsy. Thank you.